I'd like to show you how to make any guitar sound like a steel drum for next to nothing, as long as you got an extra guitar pick. So here in the first 3 strings, I wedged in a guitar pick. It's over top of the first string, under the second string, over top of the third string. And it makes this sound here. And one of the nice things about it is my bass notes are unaffected, so I can play the bass note and then the lead note. Like that. And then when I don't want the effect anymore, I just push on the pick and out it comes. So there you go. The absolute cheapest special effect you'll ever get.